Hey guys, it's Aubrey Elaine. Today I'm doing a makeup tutorial on this look. If you would like to see how I did this look, then keep watching. First I'm going to be starting out with brows. I'm going to blend out the hairs with the spoolie first. Now starting with the line at the bottom of the brow. I like to make a line at the top and then fill in the middle. Now brushing out the hairs. Now using this concealer brush, I'm gonna concealer on my brows. Now I'm going to be using my finger to put on this eyeshadow primer. Now I'm going to be going in with the Morphe 35B palette using this navy blue shade. I'm just going to be putting that on my lid and later blending it out. Going into the Morphe 35O palette using this orangish shade to blend out that navy blue. Right here I'm going to be cleaning up the edges. Now I'm going to put this moisturizer on my face. This is my favorite primer because it blurs out your pores. I'm just going to be putting that where my pores are. Going in with these two foundations. Using this Maybelline Fit Me concealer under my eyes and on my chin to highlight. Airspun translucent powder, I'm going to be using this to bake. Now I'm going to be contouring with the Anastasia Contour Kit, light to medium. Now chiseling out my nose and cheekbone contour with the Airspun translucent powder. Now going in with the e.l.f. Cosmetics blush, I'm going to be using that on my cheekbones. Just brushing away the bake. Using this coconut oil, I'm just moisturizing my lips. Now going in with this Stila glitter and Kitten Karma, I'm going to be making a line on my crease. Now I'm going to be smoking out my lower lash line with this brown shade from the 35O palette. Putting on mascara on my top and lower lashes. I'm going to be going in with these lashes. I don't know what they're called. I'm just setting my face with the Mario Badescu Rose Water. Now I'm highlighting my face with the Anastasia Sun Dip Glow Kit. this look, I'm going to be going in with this Julep matte lip in Ooh La La. Okay guys, that completes this look. Thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know in the comments what other videos you would like to see. And yeah, thank you.